Time for a gentleman game.
Oh, I'm fucking last again.
Shit.
Fourth pick. Oh,
Oh, we're all fucking last ones. Alright, top's already called. Oh, it's draft. Oh shit.
Damn.
no.
As
Well,
one.
you could do ADC Gnar with Cho'Gath support.
No, you'd have to be really careful.
No, no, no. ADC no, it's not a thing.
I saw it, but that was in bronze elo.
It's just bad.
Yep.
I would have said Riven. Too busy laid back in my chair though, weeping. You really do have to like upload just my sadness of.
I'm being mentioned in comments everywhere. Please. God damn it, Charles.
Right, mid second, so we've got bot lane and jungle.
Hooray.
What do you guys want?
I have no idea yet.
Well, you guys have the first pick, so I'm left with whatever's left.
What?
Well, you said you can't ADC, right?
I can ADC.
You said you can't support, right?
I prefer not to support, but I can support.
Guess I'll jungle then.
You know I can't move at all.
Let's do
I
this.
curse a name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm running out the moon, sitting on the moon.
I will be the best.
Discord, I'm what we do to make it go.
I'm gonna go support Nautilus if that's okay.
Alright, I don't mind going to support. You do know?
Let's do this.
If you want to go ADC, which do you prefer?
I don't mind, I can play both.
Embrace the darkness.
Which do I hate more, being squishy or being a tank?
Squishy. Always squishy.
Oh, Nautilus is taking shit.
Volley bear support.
Fuck off. It's not a thing.
Leona's on the free.
I guess I could, but I'm not that good at Leona.
Neither am I, though, to be fair. Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
oh, he's.
Oh, oh.
oh.
Damn it.
Oh. Make a mind up!
Pick Thresh.
If you don't, I can pick Thresh.
Alright, I don't mind.
Pick a moo
So if you want to go ADC, you can go ADC, I don't mind.
No, it's fine. Break the pace a bit.
Oh, they've
They
taken
even
my
took your
Sivir as
Sivir.
well. They've took my Sivir.
What's good against Sivir then as support?
I cannot remember.
Wait,
Ash
could I
is
take
part of-
Zyra?
Zyra.
Yes.
But we do need a tank, so maybe. Who's the tanky support? Shen?
Shen. Shen.
Shen.
Shen.
Shen. Just play him like Fnatic played him yesterday. Amy, should he play him like Fnatic did yesterday?
Okay, Ash is not a good pick into that, no. I might
Twitch.
try it again.
Fuck it, Aurelia.
Just fuck it, Aurelia. It'd be good
Like
for
a
chunking.
surgeon. Cut for the very first time. Like a surgeon.
Don't worry, your singing's been recorded.
I'm singing
know.
Weird Al
I know
Yankovic.
who you're singing. It's Weird Al. That
I know.
weird-
Yeah. Should have banned. I don't like the fact that they took Nautilus away from there.
Yep.
I would have gone fresh, but the fact that they went Syria just made me decide against it.
Yeah.
Fresh Prince.
Wait, do I have an all skin team?
No, I don't have a Twitch skin.
Damn.
Ah. Let down.
If only you could convince more people to play League, and they still did the referral things.
Well, back in like season 0, if you referred enough people, they actually invited you to their studio to create a champion.
Cool.
I think they stopped doing that though. Like after like season 1.
I
You know
know.
what I'm unhappy about?
I know the reason that there's medieval Twitch was because someone two people referred over 250 people between them.
Not bad.
None of them were
You know what sucks?
Smurfs either.
2 of my favourite teams got kicked out of Worlds.
Cloud9.
Cloud9 and CLG.
Yep. At least we still have SKT and
The ones
Fnatic.
were doing they
Is
were the ones
TSM
doing
still
the
in it?
best. They were doing the best, and then
Are TSM in it or Counter Logic Gaming?
TSM are gone, CLG's gone, Cloud9's gone, all the American teams are gone.
There's
Fnatic's in.
SKT's at
What about Samsung
Faker.
Y?
Faker's team.
Samsung White didn't even get through to Worlds.
No.
No. Yeah.
Well, the 2 teams I'm supporting are in, so I'm happy enough.
I don't actually follow enough to care.
Neither did I till Amy just showed me one game.
I showed him one game, and it was the game where
Veigar!
freaking Incarnation played Veigar for the first time and just destroyed because nobody was expecting the Veigar pick.
No one expects a Veigar pick.
And also the fact that Fnatic were winning really hard.
Then Cloud9 just
Then-
Darius.
No, it's CLG.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
yeah.
so Oriana picked Barrier instead of...
Wait, no, it was Cloud9, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
because then they had the rematch. Because it was
Yeah,
Bulls
then
that
they
got
had
the
rematch
penta.
and they managed to
And they,
pick Darius again.
and they
but-
demolished them. That was a rematch where they wanted to get their own back and annihilated them. It was the fastest game in World so far, apparently.
Was it under 20 minutes?
It was 21 minutes.
Alright.
That was a Nexus destruction, not a surrender.
Might have to say I'm not decent at playing Twitch because I played him once.
He's a hyper carry, so you either do well or you do shit.
I do quite like him. Don't get me wrong, I do quite like him.
Look at that, 3 variations of saying it.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
I get Spin to win.
Failure is your destiny.
Dedicating this piece to you. Finally right.
I got Relic Shield though, so I should be able to. Working off memory of
I hear your track. Bow before your king.
Do it.
Minions have spawned.
The end of days draws near.
Poor Graves, no cigar.
I did see a funny championship skin for what's it called, Graves earlier. It was the exact same Graves skin,
I'm
just
gonna have to
with,
pop early.
just with a championship cigar.
So, yeah, okay.
Thank you anyway for that.
Oh good, my cues actually work.
I want to try Shen at some point. It looks fun.
It's pretty good. You just focus Q and then you
I
farm.
demand the sandwich, guys.
Stop talking
Wait,
about
what?
food for now.
Okay.
I'm just probably gonna poke a lot, so don't worry about me. Focus on farming.
Ugh.
Those bouncing blade.
Not exactly do much, but
Eternum Nocturne does look cool.
Yeah, he is very cool. Watch yourself.
she could have got me if she queued then, but
I actually exhausted Nautilus, so that would have got you as well.
First love.
Nah, it don't matter anyway.
Well, Ryze died.
Go
Orianna
back,
died.
Twitch. Twitch, go back.
alright. I don't have enough of very much, but
Still, it's better than...
yeah. Yeah, Max, we might need a bit of a hand with this lane. It's just the Nautilus.
I kind of,
Yeah,
I kind of
Nautilus
suck.
will-
I kind of suck pre-6, but I'll try.
He's playing quite aggressively, you can tell.
Yeah, pre-6 I
Don't come until
suck.
you're absolutely sure you can, like, take him though.
Until I
Yeah.
get my ult, I'm pretty shit
Yeah.
at in ganks because
Yeah.
I don't move
Wait,
anywhere near
just go
fast
for your
enough.
ult, dude. Go straight for your ult. It's fine. Alright, I'm gonna try and get cannon minion.
Alright. I've got a bit more damage than she does now, though.
True. And we didn't.
And with the poison. Stand still, the eyes are on the side of my head.
Just watch yourself.
Yeah, I know. I know I'm a bit out of position.
I can heal myself, so.
Yeah. She overextended it there.
Maybe, but to actually die. She's low on mana, actually, so. Assuming we can get in close, we might be able to get her.
Well, I do have.
I can flash Taunt, but how confident are you? Like, I think she has flash.
Try and see if we can bait out a flash beforehand. Then try it.
Or
I'll
at
try
least
not
it's
to. I'll try not to push this wave out. I'll let it freeze itself.
Alright. Just gonna try and get some HP.
Yeah, okay.
If you
I
attack
can't-
if you attack the sword of people, you gain HP.
Damn.
Just so you know.
Alright.
Lee Sin might be coming back, just so you know.
He is coming
Yeah, I
back.
know. That's why I'm staying in the bush.
You've got the Scutlandia ward to let you know though, which is good.
Yeah. Let's just back off for now. Considering Nautilus. Back off, back off.
Yeah.
Like, he saw the scroll, what did he expect was going to happen?
Damn it.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been
Have you
slain.
met my flea,
What's your flea called?
Stephen?
I
Nautilus.
really wanted that to fly back with him. Get a bit. Ah, she was expecting it. Leave it. Leave it. Behind. Behind. Alright, she's used the heal.
Yeah.
Fine. Scared. And there's Nautilus, so back off with it. Lee Sin could easily be in the area.
Yeah.
Back off. Ow!
Ow.
Ow!
The hell is that?
That's her, obviously. Oh god.
Oh dear.
I'll hold the line. Being Chen, I should be on.
Just make sure it's not someone just setting off the rape alarm again this time.
Damn it. It's a bit slow on recognising that. Siva's back and she's got the BF sword.
Shit. Finally finished my jungle item.
I'm pretty low. Yeah, I need to back off. It's alright, I'm behind the tower. I have to risk it.
Enemy killing spree.
Owned! Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tell me you recorded that.
Yes, I did. Because I was there as well.
That was awesome. If you want to go on him, I've got my own.
Sight. No, I'll go try and get set up the dragon.
Hang on. Hang on. Let me play a bit more safe, I think. I've already used my ult, sorry. Right, since I should be able to help him. And I'm on my way as well. Just keep running.
Yeah.
Gotcha, bitch.
Nice.
Killing spree.
Rest from Maria.
I'm out of mana. If we win this, we can get close to dragon.
That's a big if.
Yeah, out. Get out. Down.
An ally has been slain.
Fucked. We really need a Twitch for that.
Can't help fire alarms though.
We'll get a tower for this.
Your turret has been destroyed.
This doesn't help our hypercarry.
Wanna go for drag? Or try it?
I I don't think we'll get there in time. Nah, they're not doing it. Civ is here.
Our light takes this land.
That could have gone better though. We didn't get anyone really.
A trail manifests.
Oh, you're in a bad place, dude. Get out of there. Yeah, it's gone.
A summoner has disconnected.
Luckily I'm Shen, so I can still be viable by myself.
That's good.
I need to get a side stone. And a sweeper.
Nice.
Next thing you're going. What?
So the good news is I've managed to record nearly every single one of your kills.
Oh, good.
As in the camera being over.
What? How did that not save him?
Riven. She pops everything.
Yeah, I know. Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Get
deal
out,
with
get
it.
out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Wow, they actually followed me and not him.
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy is unstoppable.
Wow! Wow! Shame that I didn't get Riven, but I lived. There's an upside.
Living is always an upside. 30 seconds till my next stall.
I'm away, but I don't have my own. Get some HP, dude.
Damn.
Where's my backup? Fucking hell, a bit
I
late,
exploded.
mate. Alright, it's a bit late. Come on, Taunt. Energy for Taunt, please. Energy for fucking Taunt, please. Ah, fuck me.
Damn it.
What's Vladimir doing top constantly?
Your turret has been destroyed.
Damn it, I was out of range.
Vlad, you're not gonna do O. Don't even fucking try. Wow. Yeah, I was gonna say. Ow.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, welcome back.
Fire
That's me,
alarm.
that's me, that's me.
Yeah, we
know.
explained it to the team, they're fine with it.
Fucking hell. 4C, the one that's really fucking loud.
Yeah.
Set it off.
An enemy has been slain.
£25 surcharge for setting off the fire alarm though. Because they can find out where the fire alarm was set off. I'm gonna go turn the light on.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, Kurt is doing a Shen just like Fnatic did.
Oh, no, exactly.
Oh, he was until he died.
So how's the game going?
We've lost
Tight.
all the bot tower and all the bot towers apart from Intib now.
Bad. Let's just put it like that.
So basically me leaving sort of fucked it over. I had no choice. I had no choice.
No, it's fine. And Vlad has been beating Riven like 7-1 Riven.
Do you want to try and surrender, maybe?
Well,
Because I am coming back into the game, it's just... It's taking a little while for some reason. It was really cold out there. I had like a massive panic attack because I didn't know what to take with me.
Oh, listen.
Why? It was a fire alarm! Explain,
Bye.
please. It wasn't exactly my fault. It was the fucking problem flat again.
I'm not really comfortable with this fight.
Ow.
You have been slain.
I won't be able to do much.
Neither can I at the moment.
I don't know how I've gotten 4 kills this game, alright?
Well, there was that epic gank I did on bot lane, and you just took both
Yeah.
the kills.
Yeah, wait until you see the replay on that one.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Like, that was probably the kill of the game. Oh, Baron's gone.
That was definitely
staying
recorded,
with
so
you.
you'd be happy.
Oh, Dragon Knight. But... yeah, stay with me. I'm probably your best chance of getting out of places alive.
Yeah.
Everyone needs XP, kind of, doesn't it?
All of us are behind.
Apart from me, really.
Oh yeah, because you've just been getting all the kills.
That's because I've been surviving
Well,
the
they've just
fights.
warded my red.
Yes. Go for it. I'll help you.
I'm gonna try and CS.
Hang on.
I've got
I'll
my
take care.
rat-tat now.
I'll take care. I'll take care. Alright, keep an eye on Riven.
Yeah.
I hear someone going back. Oh, that's right.
Nice. Oh shit, Nautilus
That's fine.
behind us.
Yeah.
I love how the people are sort of leaving me alone to sort of...
They
I think they feel
understand.
sorry for you a bit. Like, you're hyper carried.
Though be careful, Nautilus is coming down. Was coming down slightly.
My ult's not up for a good 40 seconds. Yeah, get out of there.
I'm coming. I'll see if we can cut him off.
We don't have worlds because I went tanking instead. I kind of went solo bot.
Yeah, he's there. How did it go?
Well, you'll see the double kill that I got. Well, I was low actually. I was incredibly low.
I can't see what's happening. Hey, you got a kill.
Rat-a-tat-tat, my friend.
Why did you leave?
Fucking Shan. No, I mean Riven.
Why did they all leave?
I
I
died.
had her. I had her and people left.
I didn't have a choice. I died.
Lee sent it mid.
Get that and get the hell out.
Has destroyed the turret.
I got a kill though.
If we pull this back, this will be the greatest comeback ever.
Yeah. Hey, Amy, on the upside, you're not going negative.
No, I'm not.
Not yet.
Died yet.
Bloody lads.
We
just
need to
feeding
team up to
Riven.
kill that Riven.
Twitch just said not for long.
Twitch doesn't even agree with you. I've got my power spike, that is the Blade of the Ruined King anyway.
Alright. Riven is kind of snowballing. Watch your back.
Speaking, where was Riven? Oh shit.
Yeah, use your thing to try and avoid. Yep.
Doesn't matter.
Sorry. Oh crap. Time to try and get the fuck out of here if I can. Nope.
Yeah, Lee Sin.
Ally has been slain.
Got smited to finish off.
It's time
It's hardly
to
all we
smite
can
and
do.
excite.
Like, Vlad has just fed Riven, and you know how fed Riven is. You can 1v5 pretty much all the fucking team.
She's got one death. I think if
I think that was me, actually.
I think if you taunted her, I can actually kill her. Because
I tried that, but people didn't kill.
it was the one time I did actually fight her. I nearly killed her, but she could just kill me
I'm
faster.
a late game champ. Yeah, well, we're never gonna
Your
reach the fucking
inhibitor
late
has been
game.
destroyed.
Fuck me. Will this be the greatest comeback of all time?
Yes, it will.
Alright, Riven's there, so watch yourself. Twitch with me.
I'm following. You seem to know what you're doing.
Well, Twitch needs XP. You go to
Yeah, I
your
do.
jungle if you need to.
Okay.
Our light takes this land.
Oriana just took my damn raptors.
Have you got your ult?
Me?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. If we keep
They
sight
took my
of
damn
Sivir-
clubs as well.
Keep in bushes. Keep in bushes. And we want to try and sneak up on them. Don't get seen. You're a like trick card.
Yep. Nautilus is behind you.
Well, I'm okay. I can handle those.
I'm okay. I've got my Q.
Well, I got you the kill.
Rampage.
Yeah.
Listen.
Nautilus as well. Just run.
Go. I'll distract him. Go.
I was wondering why I was staying alive there, then I remembered your ult.
Who's ult?
I'm
Shen.
gone, baby. I am
Shen's
fucking
ult.
gone.
They're going for drag.
Yeah, they're doing drag, but I managed to get out of there. Epic jukes.
Damn.
No, I can do about that. Yeah, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
Just see.
Oh, I don't have my ult saver this time.
Yep.
Damn it. Something I didn't want. Going down to a circle.
Vlad just takes all the CS when I'm trying to farm to get XP.
That's because he's a fucking idiot. Guys. That's what I meant by come on, guys.
I'm dead.
Enemy double kill.
I'm gonna need fucking help.
On my way, but my ult's not up.
Buying time. No,
Damn it.
gone.
Get it.
Just surrender.
Yeah. It's the fire alarm's fault.
Yeah. We got this late. The idea is you don't feed a frickin' Riven. That's rule 1. If you're up against Riven and you can't kill her, you stay fucking back.